Working with AutoCAD and have a DWS standards file to enforce consistent drawing rules. These define drafting standards for your projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these AutoCAD drawing standards files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure DWS formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. DWS files are drawing standards. Files used by AutoCAD to define and enforce consistent drafting standards across drawings. They contain specifications for layers, dimension styles, text styles, line types, and other drawing properties, enabling teams to maintain visual consistency and compliance with corporate or industry KIE standards. AutoCAD DWS files use the same underlying format as DWG drawings, storing only the standards-related properties without geometry. The format includes layer definitions, text and dimension style specifications, line type configurations, and plot styles that AutoCAD references during standards checking against drawings to identify and correct deviations. Autodesk AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk Inc., is often used as the source validator for DWS. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows can preview only simple elements, so full exploration requires specialized modeling suites. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your DWS file and hit Open With. Try the recommended Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If your DWS file will not open yet, do not panic. This format is tricky. Since the DWS file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, opening in AutoCAD. Launch AutoCAD and open a DWG drawing. Type standards at the command line to open the Configure Standards dialog. Click the plus button and browse to your DWS file to associate it with the drawing. AutoCAD checks the drawing against the standards, reporting any deviations for review and correction. Next, editing standards files. To modify a DWS file, open it directly in AutoCAD using File, then Open. The DWS file opens like a regular drawing, where you can adjust layer definitions, text styles, and dimension styles. Save changes back to DWS format for use in standards checking across other drawings in your project. Finally, running batch standards check. For checking multiple drawings against a DWS standards file, use AutoCAD's Batch Standards Checker, accessible from the Windows Start menu under Autodesk. Add multiple DWG files. Configure the DWS standards file and run the batch check. The tool generates a report identifying standards violations across all checked drawings. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.